This video will teach you how to use a strategy called the empty rectangle strategy to do division. It's just like using an empty hundreds chart or friendly numbers. You just have to imagine that the rectangle represents your dividend. So in this case, we're going to imagine that this rectangle is representing the number 47. That's our dividend, and our divisor goes at the top, which is 3. So we're doing 47 divided by 3. So the first the first step we're going to do is to pick our friendly number. So our friendly number that we're going to choose is 10. 10 is a good one to start with. Step 1, choose your friendly number. Step 2, multiply that number by your divisor. So 10 times 3 equals 30. Step 3 is to subtract that number from your original dividend. 17. So that means that we have 17 remaining. So really what we can look at is that we've already taken away this part of the rectangle. It's just the bottom that's left, and it has 17. So now we repeat until we can't anymore. So I have 17. My next friendly number I'm going to use is a 5. I do the same step over again. Friendly number times divisor equals 15. So I will record that down. I subtract 15 from 17 and I get 2. Since I can't divide anymore without going into decimals, this is my remainder. And we've dealt with that as well. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add up my friendly numbers. 10 and 5. 10 and 5 is 15 with a remainder of 2. Now let's do one more example. So in this case, we're doing 64 divided by 4. So we pretend that our rectangle represents the value of 64, and our divisor is 4. That goes at the top. Step 1, choose your friendly number. Again, I like to start with 10. Step 2, multiply your friendly number by your divisor. Step 3, subtract. 64 minus 40 is 24. So we have subtracted 40. If you think about the other methods that we've learned, this goes very well with the others. So now we have a remaining value of 24, and we keep going until we can't go anymore. So I'm going to choose another friendly number of 5. 5 times 4 equals 20. Step 3, I subtract, and I have 4 remaining. So I have taken away 10 groups of 4, and I've taken away 5 groups of 4, and I have 1 group of 4 left. So it's pretty obvious which friendly number I'm going to choose now. I'm going to use the number 1. I'm going to multiply. 1 times 4 is 4. And I'm going to subtract. 4 minus 4 is 0. Because I've reached 0, I can't proceed anymore. So now I need to add up my friendly numbers to get my quotient. So I took away 10 groups, then I took away 5, then I took away 1. So altogether I took away 16 groups. So my quotient is 16. 64 divided into groups of 4 equals 16 groups.